What's going on, guys? It's gonna be the first flight with my DJI Air 2S. I have not even hovered this thing in my house, all right? So I don't know how it flies. It's gonna be a quick flight. Gonna test out the camera, see how it flies. It's crazy windy and cold out here, guys. So I don't know how this is gonna work out. Let's do it. All right, let's do it, guys. First flight. Take off. Oh, it's windy. Check that out. Getting tossed around, man. Turn it around. Man, why'd I pick such a windy day for my first flight? Okay. Thing is quick. Up and down. Some yaw. Go the other way. Man. It's pretty quiet though. You know what? Let me take it out for a minute. I don't like flying like this. Alright. Let's come back this way. Love the lights. Oh, I guess that's the obstacle avoidance coming towards me, and it stops. I can deal with that. All right, let's take it up a bit, guys. Whoa! That thing went up pretty high. Wow. Let's fly around. Don't really like this wind, guys. Thing is moving. I don't know if you guys can see that out in the sky, but man, it's cutting through that wind like it's nothing. By the way, I'm freezing, guys. It's Canadian winter stuff. I'm loving this Air 2S. By the way, guys, I'm filming in 4K 30. My hands are freezing off right now. This is literally the first flight. I haven't even hovered this thing in my house. Okay. Let me bring this thing back before my hand freezes off. All right. You're a beast, man. All right. Welcome to my collection. Alright, guys, before I freeze to death, that was just a quick flight. My Air 2S. See you guys on the next video. Later, guys.